the Johnson family values. This is the Johnson family values.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we decided to do something a little different. We are decorating our master bathroom in our new place. So I decided to do a voiceover and give you guys the details of what we've done. If you guys would like to see what we've done in our master bathroom, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. So this is the before of our master bathroom. First of all, I'm very excited at the fact that we have 2 bathrooms. You know, I get to express myself in our master bathroom, and then my son has his own bathroom in the hallway, which is also the guest bathroom, but you know, we get to just do 2 different themes, and when somebody has to go, we don't have to wait for somebody else to be done. So that's really exciting, but I just can't wait to show you guys what we've done in this bathroom. So right now I'm just going to do a little cleaning in the bathroom. We did thoroughly clean when we first moved in, but we're going to do a little cleaning right now just so we can put everything that we've purchased into a clean bathroom. So right now I'm just cleaning out the toilet using my Method toilet cleaner. I like to use all natural products, so you know, it's just a little more safer for the baby and things like that. So I decided to use some natural products such as Method in the toilet, in the bathroom in general. So this is not much of a all natural product. However, I did want to use something that would disinfect the surfaces of the toilet. So I decided to use the Clorox Scentivia brand, which is a new line that is out. So yeah, I just decided to use that to disinfect the surfaces around the toilet. So now I'm using the Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner to clean off the sink and the cabinet under the sink. I love Method brands as well as Mrs. Meyer's. So you'll see me using a lot of that when it comes to, you know, our clean with me's and things like that. So now I just have the honey mopping the floor. He loves this thing. I don't care for it as much because you have to keep changing out the pad. But yeah, we're mopping the floor right now, just getting the floor really, really clean. Now we have a little visitor, which is why I love to use all natural products. So now we're just getting into the decorating, putting down the rug and the shower curtains. Now, I absolutely love high sitting shower curtains. It just kind of gives the bathroom a bigger illusion. The bathroom is kind of small, so it kind of makes the bathroom look a little bigger. So you'll see at the end in the reveal what it looks like. But yeah, I just like using really high sitting rods when we're putting up the shower curtain. So here Justin is putting up the second shower rod. It has 2 curtains on the end. I kind of like giving the shower a window-like feel because it makes the bathroom look a little bit bigger. I will be changing out the cream rod once I find one similar to the silver one that Justin is putting up right now. But in the meantime, this is something that I just like to do. I like giving it a window feel. So here we have Justin measuring and putting up our shelving over the toilet. I just wanted to give it some type of storage and a decorative look. I just like shelves over the toilet. I think it's very, very cute. Now for the reveal. Here's the before. And here's the after. So I wanted to go with a spa-like theme in our bathroom. Very, very minimal. The colors are gray, white, silver, and black. I just wanted to give it a very nice and clean look in there. Not too much, not too cluttered. Just very nice and subtle, very clean and comfortable. So I'm not one that's really, really good with decorating, but I did get a lot of my ideas from Pinterest. So here you have our toothbrush and toothpaste holder that we purchased from TJ Maxx. And on the other side, we have the matching tray with a marble finish that we also purchased from TJ Maxx. On top of the tray, we have a candle from Bath & Body Works and our soap dispenser from Grove Collaborative. So here you have our shelving units. I purchased those from Amazon, and the picture that you see on the top shelf is from IKEA, and of course a thing of toilet paper. And then I have my green plant there that I got from TJ Maxx, along with the two storage holders there. This picture here I got from Ross Stores a long time ago, so we just decided to reuse it. And below the next picture that says, "Blessed are those who believe," we got that from Ross Stores as well. On the top of the toilet, we have a caddy from Grove Collaborative that I have some white wash rags in, and the paper towel holder I purchased from Burlington, and of course some paper towels. Here I have another picture that I purchased from Ross Stores. I love Ross, y'all. I used to did not like going into Ross, but I love Ross. And then below we have our towels that my mom purchased from Burlington. All right, so remember how I said I love to give my shower a window-like feel? Here is the idea of what I was going for, to have two curtains on the side and then the clear liner on the inside. Now, you guys are probably like, are those real curtains? Yes, they are real curtains that you use for your window. And I got that idea from Pinterest, and I think it's a great idea, so you're not wasting money on shower curtains when you already have curtains in your closet and in storage and things like that. So I decided to take these two sheer curtains out of my storage bins and use them for my bathroom. Now, I also got the idea from my mom, who is a wonderful interior decorator. So here's just a quick overview of our master bathroom. I am completely in love with how it turned out. It is exactly what I wanted, the feel that I wanted, the color scheme and everything. We didn't spend an arm and a leg purchasing these items. Most things we already had. Some things we did have to buy brand new, but you know, we did not spend an arm and a leg trying to redo this bathroom. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you guys a part of our family. The next project is going to be our hallway bathroom, which is technically our son's bathroom, but our guest bathroom as well. So stay tuned for that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.